So as soon as I saw this paper, I knew I was going to have to do a layout with Nick's first Mickey. So my process when I do layouts is I find a good base page, in this case, the uh, backside of the polka dot print. And I'll just take scraps. So in this case, it's scraps that are left over from the pop-up album and just kind of start playing. So I matted my pictures first. I knew what I was going to use. I knew which size I was going to use because they were not the best. It was a 12-year-old iPhone and I was trying to zoom in from across the room. So, they're not spectacular. And then just kind of take some pieces and parts that kind of go with the feel of the pictures and just lay them out to get an idea of where I might ultimately want to put things. This can change when I go to glue things down for the final version, but it kind of gives me an idea of what I want to use. So in this case, I've got my base elements figured out. So I'm just going ahead and adhering those down. And then I'm going to go ahead and put two of the three pictures down where I know their final spot is going to be. And then on that middle one, I did use some thin foam tape just because if this does end up in an album with page protectors, I don't want anything like super popped up. I added one of the tags there and another tag on the right-hand side, and then one of the 2x2 cut aparts and popped that up. My journaling card, I did journal on off screen. I really hate my handwriting, so journaling on layouts for me is very, very hard. um, I just, I don't know. I don't like my handwriting, but I think that's probably most of us. So here I'm just popping up a few of the elements. I've added that little "this makes me smile from ear to ear" sentiment from one of the ephemera packs. I've got this bigger Mickey who is from the page pieces, I believe. And then I ended up not using the little 2x2 cut apart. Little tiny tag that I cut the top off. And then I've got that big Mickey that is from, I believe, the Big Bits. Um, I might have that backwards. The other Mickey might be from the Big Bits, and this one might be from the page pieces. I used the Smile foam stickers down here at the bottom. And then I took one of the journaling pieces, still just couldn't make that Mickey work, and ended up adding best friends on this because my son and his Mickeys are definitely best friends. At this point, he was 17 months old when he got his first one. He is now 12, and I think he counted between Mickeys and Minnies the other night. He has 67 Mickey Mouses.